I was checking this girl next door when her parents went out. She first say, hey boy, come on right around. So I knocked at the door, you were standing with a bottle of red wine, ready to pour, dressed in long black satin, lace to the floor. So I went in, then we sat down, started kissing, caressing, told me about jacuzzi, sounded interesting. So we jumped right in, all calls diverted to answer phone. Please leave a message after the tone. I mean, me and her parents were kinda cool, but they were the fine line between me and you. We were just doing things young people in love do. Parents trying to find out what we were up to, saying, why were you creeping down late last night? Why did I see two shadows moving in your bedroom light? Now you're dressed in black, when I left you were dressed in white. Can you feel me? Calls diverted to answer phone. Red wine bottle, have the contents gone. Midnight return, jacuzzi turned on. Can you feel me? It's another one. Whenever the coast was clear and she'd ask me to come out, I'd say, hey girl, come right around. So she knocked to the door, I was standing with the keys in my hand to the 4x4. Jumped in my ride, and nobody saw. The club we went in, we got down, bound to the rhythm. So it was early morning, thought we better be leaving. So I gave you my jacket for you to hold. Told you to wear it cause you felt cold. I mean, me and I didn't mean to break the rules. I weren't trying to play mom and dad for fools. We were just doing things young people in love do. Parents trying to find out what we were up to.
This is actually the second time I'm filming this today right now because your girl started filming and there was no sound. Are you serious that my audio was off that entire time? Quick PSA to all my content creators who are using a camera, DSLR or mirrorless camera, whatever, please check your audio levels. My mic was plugged in and for some odd reason, it didn't get any audio. C blames it on Mercury retrograde. Look, I don't know, but I was like so set on getting 2 videos done today, and now I'm set on a margarita because that just stressed me the fuck out. Has that happened to you before? Let me know in the comments, my fellow wig bae content creators, because ooh, I had to woosah after that. But anywho, if you are new here, welcome to Is That Your Hair? If you've been here before, welcome back. Consider tapping that subscribe button and hitting the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And yeah, let's get into this wig. Oh wait, before I do that, a lot of you have been asking me about my music. It's no secret, y'all. I use SoundCloud all the time. I've been using it for the past 2 years. I absolutely love using SoundCloud to find music, so if you are looking for new fun music, definitely check out SoundCloud and see what they have in store, because yeah, it's just so much fun for me looking through their catalog. I really like it. But yes, back to this hair, y'all. So let's get into the specs really quick. This is a lace front wig by the Jane Collection. Her name is Willow. I do have Willow in the 1B golden brown color. And you know what? I was going to get the number 2 color in this wig, but you know who inspired me, okay? My YouTube best friend, Kie Rashon. Hey boo! I saw her in this wig in the sun-kissed blonde, sun-kissed brown. Oh my god. Looks so good on her. So I was like, you know what, let me try on the blondes too. And I am so glad that I did, because normally I trust Outre the most when it comes to coloring, especially with textured wigs. It's been hit or miss with other companies, but I'm actually really pleased with this golden brown color. I need to do this again. Like, why haven't I done this sooner? I love the way they did this. Absolutely love it. You have the dark rooting here, and I'm normally very particular about dark roots on blonde wigs. I think it looks good on this wig. This brown color right here is not normally a color I would wear by itself because it would just blend into my skin. So I'm really happy with the dimensions that are in this wig because this is bringing the whole look together, okay? But as far as the specs of this wig, it does come with your 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable straps. You do have like a good 4.5 inches of parting space here. You can wear this wig in the middle, but I decided to wear mine to the side because I don't know, I was just feeling like a side part mommy today. I think we all have our days, right? And I like mine on the right side. Left side part, Ixnay that. Not about it. This is what she's looking like all the way around. You see her? Yes. She's looking good, y'all. On my 5'3" frame, I would say she falls on me like a good, like 20 inches or so, which I think is a great length. I will definitely be rocking this like this coming week. Because she looked good. This is the type of hair that you wear when you know you are running late for a date with your boo. Your boo FaceTimes you, talking about where you at, and you pick up the phone, they're like, they about to fuss you out, and they're like, yeah, cat got your tongue. Oh man, yes, got them stuck with this wig on. You feel me? This is another one that's gonna go in my date night wig collection. She really loves seeing me in different types of blondes, so I know she's gonna feel this little Beyonce blonde over here. Doesn't this remind you of Beyonce's hair in Irreplaceable? The same similar barrel curls. She had a darker blonde in that video, but it just looks so good. Come on out, son. Like, that's the only thing with filming in the sunlight. This sun keeps moving and grooving. Like, come on. But you know what? Seeing me in this hair makes it all better. I already took my pictures and they came out really nice, so I'm really excited to showcase that. This thumbnail's about to be popping. Yes. Come on, Willow. Who is she? Tell me, who's on the website? Comment, add to cart if you are picking this baddie up, because she's something that you need for the summer. Loving the texture. It's definitely blowout kinky straight hair with a slight press. Loving the color, loving the length. The cap size feels good. I would say it's like medium. Janet Collection caps are normally big head friendly, but this isn't the biggest cap I've had from them. I've had bigger. As far as cons, the only con, not a big deal, but still noticeable. The curls are just like not curling the same on both sides. Like you see this curl right here is like doing the little spiral thing. This is doing whatever the hell it wants to do. That type of thing bothers me. But y'all, did I mention the price? This wig is $27. $27.94. That's the lowest price I've seen. So, you know, I'll take it. These synthetic wigs are made in factory, so sometimes you might get a wig where the curl is going a little wayward, okay? Because I love this style and color so much, I am forgiving. I don't really mind it. But it was noticeable to me. I just kind of keep going like this and just hoping for the best. Oh, Lord. Even though the sun keeps going in and out, I look so sun-kissed right now. Like, please take me to the beach, to La Playa. That's where I need to be in this wig. Ooh. Speaking of the beach, I have a whole bunch of new swimsuits to show you all. So let me know if you want to see the swimwear first or my boo-boo haul first. Just comment that down below. If you missed it, I did drop a Rainbow Shops haul featuring a slew of poppin' finds, way under $20. I did it last $20 Tuesday. Definitely check that out. I'll link it down below. I mean, I was just so impressed. I'm definitely a Rainbow Shops believer now, because back in the day, honey, you know, I used to be sneaking up in and out there because I was a little embarrassed. But now, the price is right, so definitely check that out. Also, I just wanted to kind of get close here and show you how I did the lace this time. So right now I'm wearing this glueless, right? You see? Glueless! This is the glueless situation. I didn't do all this. I just left that be. I could easily color that in with a marker, which is what I normally do, but I just really wanted to harp on the fact that this right here is a must-have. You don't want to put powder on the perimeter of your lace, especially when you're dealing with like really ashy lace, because it's just like ash on ash on ash. Like, nah. You really want to take something like this, a liquid foundation, and this is my preference because I like the darker tone it comes in. I got it in the color D90. All my supplies are linked in my description box through my Amazon storefront. And this penetrates the lace so that way it'll match, okay? In a way that powder will not do. Powder for the parting space? Yes. But liquid foundation for the lace over here, especially for these lace fronts. Of course, I still use my Ebon Tint spray for my frontals and all that jazz, but when I'm trying to touch up here and there, definitely want to use this. And also, another thing I like to do is if I see any like ashy spots, you know, when I tilt up here, I will just take this. Ooh, look at my widow's peak trying to peek out. Get back in. I will take this brown pencil and just go like this across the lace, because to me, that kind of gets rid of the ash spots, okay? That's what I like to do. But yeah, I think this looks pretty damn good. This is a very quick install. It took me like no more than 10 minutes, y'all, and I think I'm even stretching that. I think I probably spent more time just playing with the curls than putting the wig on my head. So if you are brand new to wigs, this right here is for you. And you know what I would do with this hair? I would put on my stunner shades just like this. You see me? Oh, is that you disliking this video? Well, guess what? I can't see you with these shades on. This is probably an outfit I would wear just to like go out. You know what I mean? With my mask on, of course. I am loving this. This color is just making this pop. If I had gotten this in number 2, yeah, I would still like it. It honestly would give me Adana vibes in the number 2. This is definitely an affordable version of Adana. So if you're not trying to spend $50-something on that frontal, cop this. All right, so we have one more, Miss Roxie. I'm gonna take this on, put Roxie on, and I'll give you my final thoughts. All right, y'all, so I am back with Janet Collection Roxie. I have her in the 1B color. Oh my gosh. Let me take a second to get my stuff together. Do y'all see this unit on my head? Look at these curls, look at these flips, this texture. This is absolutely gorgeous. I've already worn Roxie twice already. I wore her out for about maybe 4 hours at a time. She's actually holding up pretty well, not really getting a lot of tangling at all, which is what I like about textured units. When you have silky synthetic wigs, the tangling can get a little bit out of control, but that is to be expected with a silkier texture. But if you have something that's more yucky, like kinky straight, they last longer. There isn't as much snagging. They don't get tangled as easily. Now, of course, you already know I'm gonna go in with my Simply Stylin' silicone spray when those tangles start to hit, and then I'll be good to go. And if you are not familiar with that silicone spray, it's a must-have in your wig arsenal. I will link my video featuring that video down below where I talk all about it and how it works magic for your wigs. But yes, y'all, I'm so in love with this. I honestly am more in love with Roxie than Willow. Mind you, Willow is bringing everything I need with the color, like, bow, hello, summer is here. But Roxie, I think, is a unit that most people will like. This type of barrel do, it never goes out of style. This length is perfect. This is like a good, what, like 18 inches on me? Look at the 360. See how it's falling on me? You cannot lose with Miss Roxie. Oh my gosh, she's everything. The bangs are put together well. I'm wearing her in the middle because, you know, I'm a middle part kind of girl. But I've worn her to the side and she looked just as good. Just as good. Oh, a few little snags right there. I just feel so great in this wig, and I'm actually going to brunch today, so I think I'm gonna keep her on because she's giving me what I need right now. Let me know what you feel about Roxie in the comments down below. As far as putting her on, y'all saw with Willow that I used my foundation to blend the lace, right? With this one, I didn't do that. I filled in the lace with this one, and I know a lot of you have seen me use a Sharpie to fill in the lace, but my preference is always to use a pencil. Always. That's what I rather do. If I use a Sharpie, it's because I'm grabbing it quickly. But this pencil right here by Ruby Kiss in the color black brown, I think this works. Sometimes using black like on a Sharpie or even with the eyeliner can be a little bit too dark at your edges. But if you look here, using this dark brown color, I think it just is a little bit, hold on, let's focus in here. Hold on. Look here, I just think this is softer. This is just a softer look. It's just not as harsh. Even though I'm not really showing my edges, you know, I prefer a softer look. So I'll link this down below. You can also use this for your eyebrow. Ooh. You can also use this for your eyebrows too. But yeah, this pencil is what I like to use more so now when I am filling in the lace. And here we are, honey. Let me tell y'all something about Janet Collection, okay? When I see a company actually listen to their community and, you know, become better with their products, that really makes me happy. I feel like Janet Collection's textured wigs have come such a long way. Mind you, I've tried a lot of them so far. I've tried Janet Collection Jode, Amani, Jenna, Kari, Tiana, Camila, Deidre, Kaja. Oh snap, I'm starting to sound like DMX.
There was Brenda, Letitia, Linda, Felicia.
And oh my god, who could forget that braid Lulu wig? Y'all remember that wig by Jenny Collection? That joint should have never came out in the wig streets because I hated that wig. Oh my god. But when Jenny Collection came out with the Natural Me line, I feel like that's when the improvement started with the fibers. Even though I really love the style of Jenny Collection Jode, she was rough. And even the ones after that, like Kiara and Imani, loved the style, but the fibers were still rough. But now, oh my god, these fibers feel great. They feel natural, but they still feel soft. Like, just because we have natural hair doesn't mean we can't have soft hair. You feel what I'm saying? So I just really, oh my god, yeah, I can't stop looking at myself. I just really appreciate seeing a company grow. So Jenny Collection, kudos to you for getting these fibers right. Kudos to you for giving us more styles like this. I'm really feeling it. I would love to see a revamp of Jode. And judging by the short one from this latest series, kind of reminds me of Jode a little bit, just not as coarse. I would love to see a textured bob, a nice textured bob. Not Jenny Collection, and I didn't like that one. I need something that is yaki, middle part, comes like right around here, around the neck. Jenny Collection, can y'all do that? If y'all watching this video, let me know, because I would adore that, especially for this price point. These wigs are as low as $27, y'all. You can't beat that. So if you've been sleeping on these Natural Me wigs, go hit the website, grab one, and thank me later, because I'm just all about this right now. So yes, y'all, let me know what you think about Willow and Roxie. Which one is your favorite? Comment down below. And if you are new here, make sure you tap that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you want to see some of my latest videos, definitely check them out to the right of me. Also, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. I'm on there a lot, very regularly, if you want to see like some more behind the scenes content. Is That Your Hair with 3 R's. And yeah, thank y'all for joining me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
It was early morning, so we better be leaving.